Are you aware that choosing the wrong bread could be sabotaging your blood sugar levels? If you have diabetes, you know how critical it is to make the right food choices. In this video, we're revealing the top 7 breads that won't spike your blood sugar and are actually good for your health. Warning: consuming the wrong types of bread could be detrimental to your diabetes management, so stick around to learn the best options that are backed by science and can make a real difference. Before we dive in, do us a favor and hit that thumbs up button if you find this information valuable. And if you're new here, be sure to subscribe to Diabetics Circle and click the bell icon so you never miss our new videos. Stay tuned until the end, because we have 3 incredible gifts that will empower you to take control of your diabetes management. Let's get started. Number 7. Whole grain bread. Whole grain bread is a great choice for individuals with diabetes due to its high fiber content and lower glycemic index. The fiber in whole grain bread slows down the absorption of glucose into the bloodstream, resulting in more stable blood sugar levels. Unlike white bread, whole grain bread retains all parts of the grain, making it a nutrient-dense option packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that consuming whole grains, including whole grain bread, can reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes by up to 30%. This impressive statistic underscores the importance of incorporating whole grains into a diabetic-friendly diet. The American Diabetes Association advises choosing whole grain bread varieties that contain a minimum of 3 grams of fiber per serving. This ensures that individuals with diabetes can benefit from sustained energy levels and better management of blood glucose levels. Look for labels that list whole wheat or whole barley as the first ingredient, and avoid those with added sugars and refined grains. Up next, we'll explore a bread option that not only boasts a unique fermentation process, but also offers a distinct flavor and numerous health benefits. Number 6. Sourdough bread. Sourdough bread is not only a delicious choice, but also an excellent option for individuals with diabetes. The unique fermentation process used to make sourdough involves good bacteria and yeasts breaking down carbohydrates and gluten. This process results in a lower glycemic index compared to regular bread, which means sourdough can help maintain more stable blood sugar levels. Additionally, the fermentation enhances the bioavailability of nutrients, making them easier for the body to absorb. The benefits of sourdough bread extend beyond its lower glycemic index. The natural fermentation process also produces beneficial acids that slow the rate at which glucose is released into the bloodstream. Sourdough's distinct tangy flavor and chewy texture can make your meals more enjoyable without compromising your health goals. When selecting sourdough bread, it's important to choose authentic varieties made with natural starters and minimal additives. Homemade or artisan sourdough is often a better choice than commercial versions, which may contain added sugars or preservatives. Pairing sourdough with healthy fats like avocado or lean proteins can create balanced meals that further support stable blood sugar levels. Next, we'll explore a bread option that harnesses the power of ancient grains with a strong nutritional profile that's perfect for those looking to maintain a balanced diet. Number 5. Rye bread. Rye bread stands out as an excellent choice for individuals with diabetes due to its impressive health benefits. The secret lies in rye's unique fiber content, specifically arabinoxolin, which slows down the digestion process and prevents rapid spikes in blood glucose levels. This controlled release of carbohydrates ensures a more gradual increase in blood sugar, making it particularly beneficial for diabetics. In addition to its functional health benefits, rye bread offers a rich, hearty flavor and a dense texture that enhances the overall eating experience. By incorporating rye bread into their diet, diabetics can find a balance between taste, texture, and nutritional benefits without compromising on enjoyment. When selecting rye bread, opt for varieties made with 100% whole grain rye to maximize fiber and nutrient intake. Pairing rye bread with protein-rich toppings like smoked salmon or avocado can further stabilize blood sugar levels and create a satisfying, nutritious meal. As we move forward, we'll explore another bread option that combines health benefits with a unique preparation process, offering even more advantages for managing diabetes. Number 4. Pumpernickel bread. Pumpernickel bread is a dense, dark bread made from whole grain flour, offering a unique and hearty flavor. The complex carbohydrates in pumpernickel bread release glucose more slowly into the bloodstream, preventing sudden spikes that can be problematic for those with diabetes. Its rich fiber content also supports digestive health, contributing to a feeling of fullness that helps manage appetite and weight. The whole grains in pumpernickel provide enhanced nutrients and fiber, making it a nutritious and satisfying choice. Incorporating pumpernickel bread into a balanced diet offers numerous benefits beyond blood sugar management. Enjoy it as part of a delicious sandwich or toast. Pumpernickel stands out as a wholesome choice for those prioritizing their health and well-being. We've covered some fantastic bread options so far, and it's clear that choosing the right bread can make a big difference in managing diabetes. A common misconception is that all whole grain breads are safe for diabetics. In reality, many contain hidden sugars and refined grains that can spike blood sugar levels. Even breads labeled as whole grain can include preservatives and additives that undermine your health goals. The myth that whole grain breads are always safe can lead to unexpected blood sugar spikes. One solution is making your own bread. By baking at home, you control the ingredients, ensuring your bread is truly whole grain, sugar-free, and free from harmful additives. This way, you can support your health effectively. Up next, we'll reveal a bread option that not only helps manage blood sugar, but also offers a surprising health benefit. Number 3, oat bread. Oat bread stands out as an excellent option for individuals with diabetes due to its high fiber content, which aids in regulating blood sugar levels. Oats, being a whole grain, contain beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber that plays a crucial role in controlling the rate at which glucose is absorbed by the body. In fact, a study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that beta-glucan from oats significantly reduces post-meal blood glucose levels. Besides its blood sugar management benefits, oat bread is also rich in essential nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making it a wholesome choice. Additionally, the antioxidants present in oat bread help combat inflammation and oxidative stress, further supporting overall well-being for individuals with diabetes. Its nutty flavor and chewy texture are added bonuses, making it both a tasty and beneficial dietary addition. When selecting oat bread for diabetes management, it's important to opt for whole grain varieties that are minimally processed and free from added sugars. Pairing oat bread with healthy fats or lean proteins like grilled chicken can create balanced meals that promote stable blood sugar levels throughout the day. Up next, discover a bread that not only supports blood sugar management, but also offers a unique blend of essential nutrients, enhancing your diet in more ways than one. Number 2, flax seed bread. Flax seed bread is a highly beneficial choice for individuals with diabetes due to its rich content of fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. The fiber in flax seeds helps stabilize blood sugar levels and promote prolonged satiety, preventing the spikes and crashes that can be problematic for diabetics. Additionally, omega-3 fatty acids in flax seeds offer numerous health benefits, particularly in reducing inflammation and supporting heart health. When preparing flaxseed bread, bakers often blend flax seeds with whole wheat flour, enhancing both the nutritional profile and the flavor of the bread. For those who closely monitor their blood sugar levels, this bread is a delicious way to maintain internal balance. Beyond its impact on blood sugar, flaxseed bread is a valuable source of essential nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. The incorporation of whole wheat flour alongside flax seeds further boosts the bread's fiber content, which supports digestive health and aids in weight management. To get the most out of flaxseed bread, look for varieties that use whole flax seeds or flaxseed meal without added sugars. Pairing flaxseed bread with healthy spreads like natural peanut butter can create balanced, satisfying meals. Before we unveil our number 1 bread, let's pause for a moment. To support you in managing diabetes more effectively, we're thrilled to offer 3 extraordinary free gifts we've compiled just for you. First up, we're giving away our exclusive ebook, 25 Superfoods That Lower Blood Sugar. This is no ordinary list. It's a treasure trove of culinary delights that are both mouthwatering and beneficial for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Then, for those of you who love to cook, we're excited to present a special recipe book. This collection is packed with ingenious diabetes-friendly snacks, dishes, and desserts. These recipes are designed to tantalize your taste buds without compromising your blood sugar. And lastly, you'll gain access to a breakthrough video, 30-second bedtime solution to stop diabetes. This innovative approach, the result of 20 years of dedicated research, offers a potential paradigm shift in how you manage diabetes. It's a piece of knowledge too valuable to miss, providing you with a simple yet effective nightly routine to help keep your blood sugar levels in check. To claim these incredible 3 free gifts, simply click on the link in the description below. Now, let's return to our countdown and unveil the number 1 bread that stands as a pillar in the 7 best bread for diabetics. Number 1. Sprouted grain bread. Sprouted grain bread is a top choice for individuals with diabetes due to its unique production process and exceptional nutritional benefits. This type of bread is made by soaking grains in water until they sprout, after which they are ground to produce flour. The sprouting process not only enhances the availability of nutrients and enzymes, but also reduces anti-nutrients, making these nutrients more easily absorbed by the body. One key advantage of sprouted grain bread for diabetics is its lower carbohydrate content compared to traditional bread. According to a study published in the Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism, sprouted grains have a lower glycemic index, which means they cause a slower and lower rise in blood glucose levels. This makes sprouted grain bread an excellent option for diabetics seeking to keep their blood sugar levels stable. Apart from its nutty flavor and soft texture that appeal to the taste buds, sprouted grain bread offers improved nutrient absorption and blood sugar control. It is rich in fiber, which slows the digestion process and prevents rapid spikes in blood glucose. Additionally, the bread is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health and well-being. Incorporating sprouted grain bread into your meal plans can be a beneficial dietary choice for optimizing nutritional intake while keeping diabetes under control. For the best results, choose sprouted grain bread that is minimally processed and free from added sugars. Pair it with healthy spreads like hummus, or use it as a base for nutrient-rich sandwiches to make the most of its health benefits. So, there you have it, the 7 best breads for diabetics. From hearty whole grain to nutrient-packed sprouted grain, these options can help you manage your blood sugar levels and enhance your overall well-being. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Which of these breads are you excited to try? Do you have any personal strategies for managing blood sugar that we didn't cover? Sharing your story below could provide insights and encouragement to others navigating similar paths. If this video has illuminated new possibilities for you or reinforced your current health strategies, please show your support by hitting the like button, subscribing to Diabetic Circle, and clicking the notification bell so you never miss out on our new videos. The Super Thanks feature is also a wonderful way to help us continue providing valuable health insights. Before you go, remember to check out the 3 exclusive free gift links in the description below. They're packed with tips, recipes, and innovative strategies designed to help you manage and even prevent diabetes. Remember, your health is in your hands. Thank you for watching. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and here's to your health.